Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, right, really shitty news for you guys. As you can see here, this is some, and I mean some, look at the rust in there. This is this modern shitty ethanol fuel. You can see the rust dripping out. This is all rust out of one tank. This is only a small tank off a VRX 400, okay? You can hear the rust still inside it as well. But basically the tap wouldn't even come out because it's absolutely rusted in. Okay, you know, we've taken the tap off, but none of the filters or anything that come out. As you can see, all this shit on here, and as you can see, masses of rust. I mean masses. This is the fuel that came out of it. Now this is using this wanky ethanol fuel. I do warn you, you start using Morrison's and you're saving 10p a litre, yeah, but this is the crap you're putting in your bike. Okay, this is not a joke. It's not an advert for BP or Shell. It's BP and Shell do not use this crappy ethanol rubbish. Okay, this basically will cost a fortune to fix. Okay, we've had to take the tank off. It was going to be taken off for respraying anyway, but as you can see, the mess in there. You got a whole new ball game on your hands here. Now this stuff, horrendous. All the rust, absolutely horrendous. Do use gloves, you know, only because I'm filming, I'm not using the gloves, but you must use gloves. This stuff's pretty toxic as well. Okay, but we have the answer, luckily. Okay, basically put a load of pebbles in there, shaking around, and then basically we do a special fuel treatment. Okay, Wagner's in Germany provide this, very good stuff. Okay, so basically this you mix with water 10 to 20 times the amount of that will give you basically 20 litres, which on a tank like this, maybe 12-13 litres, you've still got some spare. Okay, you know, half a bottle of that. Okay, now this stuff here you mix together, this is a resin, so it's basically like an aldehyde. Once this has been in for almost 24 hours, in this case it really is that bad, okay, we will basically empty that out, you know, chuck the fluid away, or possibly even use it in another tank because it will have it'll still be active. Okay, and then basically we'll mix this together and pour this inside and swill it round, you know, perhaps give it a couple of coats. All right, you know, give it one lot and give it another lot. But basically this is the only way you are going to combat this wanky modern fuel. Okay, big problem with this ethanol based fuel, people just do not realize till they see something like this how bad this stuff is. Okay, that is just literally, that had been stood for a year, but I didn't realize that we'd put ethanol based fuel in it, you know, because I personally wouldn't. And here you can see the fuel is just, it's just rust, absolutely rusty crap. Ideal for cleaning out a drip tray, that's about it. But still full of rust, obviously, but all right for cleaning oil stains off the floor and stuff. That's about all you can use it for. But do not fill up at these crap fuel stations. Abroad it's called E10. You fill up at a petrol station, it says E10. That's why it's crap and it's cheap. Okay, you also won't get the same power out your bike as well. So it means you'll be halfway down, the throttle will be maybe halfway more to get the same speed because there's no power out of this stuff at all. Okay, apart from that, it will dissolve all your carburetor lines. It will dissolve all your carburetor diaphragms, your needles, seats, you know, everything. All right, unless you've got a very, very late bike that was built for this crap. Okay, the fuel pipe, if you have a quick look in the shop, we recommend is this stuff. This is proper stuff, puts up with anything, you know, diesel, petrol, you name it. Fully bendable, amazing stuff. 6mm and for, you know, 8mm standard. So basically, if you need some of this gear, we have got it in stock. Wagner's top of the range stuff. It is the only one I know works. The cream we did use, absolute garbage. It all peeled off when the ethanol fuel got to Britain. Okay, so if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.